Hello, wonderful, marvelous, amazing diamond painting friends. Jessica here with Tiny Worlds of Wonder, stopping in to share another unboxing from Distracted by Diamonds. It's actually an untubing today. I'm coming at you from beautiful Montana, where it is 100% allergy season. So all of you that were complimenting me on my soothing voice in the video last week, A, thank you, I really appreciate that. And B, that voice is gone for a good month probably at this point. And the voice has been replaced by my alter ego, who is an 80-year-old male smoker. I have to stop and acknowledge that we have reached 5,000 subscribers on the channel before I get into this today. We had a little happy dance in my living room when we hit 5K, and I don't know what it was about that number that really thrilled me so much. I think it was how many of you are lovely human beings. I seriously have said for a long time that I think I have the nicest subscribers on YouTube. Reaching 5K with a group of people that you really like on your channel has just been a delight to me. The best thing I can do is just thank you and acknowledge how valuable your time is and how much I appreciate it. So let's dive into this wonderful tube from Robyn at Distracted by Diamonds. Now I know some of you have had a tricky time snagging your canvases from Distracted by Diamonds, and there's a great reason for that. Robyn is one human being running her shop on Etsy, and she never lists more than she can ship out to you in a reasonable amount of time. And as you all know, there's sort of a huge global health crisis going on right now that has really impacted the supply chain. She and a number of other companies and stores are working hard to get their inventory stock replenished, but I know that they would all appreciate our patience as they do that, because a lot of this is, like I said, not in their control. So this big kahuna came in a big ginormous tube. And I'm just gonna shake it out of here. It's all beautifully packed and rolled and all the great things. Oh, you guys, okay. I don't know what I was thinking, because I don't need another huge canvas, but I really wanted it. If you've been around the channel a while, you know I love fine art canvases. I love them. I love them. I love them. And because I've been working with Robyn just on a limited basis, again in the spirit of full disclosure, sourcing some artwork and working on some licensing, this was a piece that I was really, really excited to send to her, because it's one that I've always wanted to do. I'm just gonna roll this up from the bottom and we'll see what we can see here. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys see any of it? Any of it? Any of it? I'll try to get her beautiful face at least. This canvas is a 78 by 80 centimeter huge mamacita. This is a big, big canvas. This is still from the first release, so the logistics are going to be identical to what I showed you before. We've got two legends, right and left. This beautiful piece is called Zodiac by Alphonse Mucha. And I'll tell you a little bit about Alphonse Mucha while we're admiring the canvas here. He was born in 1860 and lived until 1939. Sad story, he actually had returned to his home country of the Czech Republic by the time that by 1939. And the Germans were invading everywhere at that point. And so he was actually one of the first people arrested and interrogated by the Gestapo. And that experience led to an illness for him that later ended up killing him. So a rather sad ending to an amazing man's life. But he was very influential in the movement in art known as Art Nouveau, or New Art. He spent a lot of his professional life working in Paris, And this is a piece he created when he was living in Paris in 1896. So this was actually a piece that he created when he was working for a printer called Champenois. I don't speak French. I have a very, very serious American accent. I know it's true. Champenois, a publisher in Paris. He created this piece of art under contract with that company and then sold it to a magazine called La Plume. And it served as their calendar for 1897. Let me scooch up to the bottom just a little bit. As you can see, we have all the Art Nouveau elements in this canvas. We have swirling lines, this beautiful cascading hair, a beautiful portrait, always of a white lady. I know, you guys. It's always a white lady. I'm looking hard to find some other beautiful faces to show as well. But we have the Zodiac coming around the edge here. There are all 12 Zodiac symbols here. I've been looking for Libra, but I don't know. I'm a Libra. Oh my gosh, she's stunning. This is a round, so I wanted to try out both a round and a square from Distracted by Diamonds just to see how that would go. This one has the double cover sheet. So that way when you're working on the top of the canvas, you don't have to pull this all the way down. You can sort of work from the center up or the top to the center, and same with the bottom half. I will take you out on this for a long view because it's so big, and I know you guys can't completely see what's going on there. I'm loving the canvas fabric on the other one that I have. It is unrolled beautifully and is laying so flat. Sophia just meandered her way out here. Hi, Sophia.
Hi.
We have a beautiful pinup girl sticker. Totally Robyn's vibe. Thank you, Robyn. I have a collection of her amazing stickers. And I'm gonna stick them all over my easel. It's so much fun. Thank you. And then her kits come with this really cool measuring tape with the Distracted by Diamonds logo and a 3-placer, a blue cotton candy diamond wax sample. I wanna smell it. Oh, that's amazing. Thanks, Robyn. All right, and of course we have some diamond wax super sticky as well, and a little bit of pink wax, just in case you run out of that one. Some baggies also. All right, so an identical toolkit to what I showed you before. Sophie wants to sniff the cotton candy. Smell it, Sophia, it's amazing. All right, crackle alert time. If you hate this sound, do something. Walk away, get yourself a whiskey. I don't know. Pre-bag drills are my jam. I love pre-bag drills, oh my gosh. Thank goodness this isn't a ginormous bag of 310, but it is a ginormous bag of 939. That's gonna be fun. This piece has a lot of orange and a lot of navy. So if you're a fan of bright colors that involve red, orange, navy, green, some purple, this one might totally be up your alley. I chose it in a round because squares take me so long. Although I am finding that Robyn's canvases have a little more color blocking than my Ever Moment, so this may go a little bit faster. But here are colors. Let me see if I can find a light enough one that I can show you the drills a little closer up. My camera is being kind of dumb today. I don't know if it'll focus very well. But from what I can see, those drills look perfect. Really, truly. But I'll keep you posted, as always, because we never know how something's going to go until we actually put some drills on the canvas. So I'll let you know about that. All right. I think I've told you everything about the art. I've told you everything I know about the canvas itself. Let's go out for a long view so you can see this beautiful art from a distance. Once again, thank you so much for being part of the Tiny Worlds of Wonder family. I truly consider you my wider family, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Have a great week. Spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.